Okay, before we dive into this question, I would like to remind you that if it's even, f of minus x equals f of x, like putting in a minus x instead of the x won't change it. If it's odd, f of minus x will result in it being the same as just negative of f of x. So for 6a, that may have seemed like you may be really confused by that. You'll see it in action. So if f of x is x squared take 9, f of minus x is minus x squared take 9, which is going to come out as the same as x squared take 9, which is just our original. So it's even. For 6b, we've got f of x equals x squared take 6x plus 5. So f of minus x is negative x squared take 6 times negative x take 5. I wish I could write. Which means negative x squared is just x squared, but negative 6 times negative x is plus 6x take 5. Now that is neither what we started with, nor just the negative of what we started with, so it's neither. Hang on, I've just got to copy and paste something, otherwise I'll forget. Okay. If I do 6c, I'm going to do it the exact same way. So I've got f of x equals x cubed take 25x. So f of minus x is negative x cubed take 25 times negative x. So that's negative x cubed plus 25x. And that's actually the opposite, the negative of what we started with. So that's even, odd. Okay, let's have a look at 6d. So we've got f of x is x to the 4 take 4x squared. So f of minus x is negative x to the 4 take 4 times negative x squared, which is x to the 4 take 4x squared, which is what we started with, f of x. There's 4, it's even. 6e. This time we've got f of x equals x cubed plus 5x squared. So f of minus x is negative x cubed plus 5x squared, which comes out as negative x cubed plus negative x squared, sorry. But that doesn't matter, it was squared, so it's 5x squared. Now that's neither exactly what we started with, nor the negative of what we started with, so it's neither. And 6f, f of x equals x to the 5 take 16x. So f of negative x is negative x to the 5 take 16 times negative x, which means it's going to come out as negative x to the 5 plus 16x, which is negative of what we started with. So it's odd. I'm not going to bother with the others. They keep going like that. I've then asked you to do question 7. And it says, on the basis of the previous questions, copy and complete copy and complete these sentences. Now, you will have noticed a pattern when you were working through question 6. And that was, with all the odd functions, so let's have a look at this odd function. The powers in the polynomial, and don't forget we have a little 1 hiding here. The powers in the polynomial were all odd. The powers are all odd. And it's even if, you guessed it, the powers are all Hey, I got that first one wrong. So we have another even. The powers are all even. Sorry, I didn't get that first one wrong. I overthought it. Or 0, because that was 9. That's x to the 0. So that's a quick way to check if it's a polynomial.